Good morning, everybody. I'm fresh-faced. Alright, let's get going. So right now we're at my bathroom and I'm just gonna wash up. I'm just gonna wash up a little bit, brush my teeth. Now I'm just gonna cleanse my skin a little bit. So I'm gonna use this acne cleanser, First Aid Beauty. So really like this stuff. Here in the morning, don't forget to moisturize. Always moisturize. Here I'm using the Freeman Hydrating Glacier Water Pink Peony Gel Cream Mask. It's not winter anymore, but I'm a mess with the seasoned products. I'm such a mess. I just had a business call, so now I'm just like sitting at my makeup table eating a banana. So normally I would eat first, but I have a lot to film today, so I really want to do my makeup first and feel cute. I mean, I feel cute like this, but I want to be like, bah, bah. That's how I want to be. And I'm just going to watch like a Netflix show right now. Right now I'm watching Charmed, which I'm really liking. So I'm just going to speed through this and yeah. I'm also going to spray some of this stuff in my hair because I absolutely love it. My makeup is done. Shushter. I should brush my hair. That's probably something I should do. Just film a couple videos, but I have to be out of the house at like 4, so let's go. Is that a fly? Sorry, that was a huge fly. So we're gonna eat right now and have some coffee. So now we're in my kitchen and the first thing I need to do is make coffee. As you guys know, this isn't my college town right now, so I don't have my Keurig up with me, but I do have an espresso machine right here. Not by my choice, by my parents' choice, but you know. If you guys want to know, my favorite Starbucks drink is a iced vanilla latte. So I love me a good latte. That's like the only thing I drink. Like, I only drink lattes. I do not like anything else. So this product actually got sent to me and I'm so excited to try it out in front of you guys. I'm taking this back to like my college town. This is gonna be the perfect addition to my coffee. So here is an automatic electric milk frother. Girl, this is needed. So this is a milk frother. Oh my god, this is so needed. The link to this milk frother will be down below. It's pretty inexpensive for something that can, you know, shake up your morning and make it way better if you're like a latte cappuccino type of girl like me. It has hot milk froth and it has cold milk froth. They have their own like Amazon thing, so you can get this on Amazon. Woo! Oh, they also have tips for frothing non-dairy milk, so that is super nice. And you get a 3-year warranty. Here she is. Literally is about to be the highlight of my morning. Oh my god, so cute. And of course you get a little instruction manual, so I'm just gonna go put this together real quick and we'll be right back. So it comes with a little power bottom, and then that's what they called it. So here's the inside, and it just froths your milk. What can I say? I love the color, I love the aesthetic of it. It's also just like really pretty to have in your home. So this button is for heating and frothing, and this one is just for frothing. So like if you have a cold drink, you would do this. If you have like a hot drink, you would do this. It's so cute. And it comes with a clear lid, so you could see everything that's going on in there in your milk. It also comes with this to like, you know, clean in the inside. And it also comes with an extra like milk frother thing that's inside here. So you guys know that I'm an almond milk queen, but yeah, not in my parents' house. They buy whole milk. So here I have is just some whole milk. I love the handle. The handle is really useful actually. That's how much milk I have in there. So I'm excited. So yeah, this is what it looks like from the top. It's pretty secure. Oh my god, you can see the milk like right on the lid. Like a latte queen. This is so cool. The link will be down below. If you want your own milk frother, we'll see the little latte. I could start making latte art, girl. I could do it all. Anyways, now I'm gonna make my coffee. I'm gonna use my Paris is always a good idea mug. So we're just gonna put that here. Good lighting in the kitchen, amazing. So usually in the kitchen, I bring my laptop with me, so I just chill here, sit and eat and watch a show. I have my phone with me, just in case anyone wants to text me. I actually have to call a friend to see. He's the most irresponsible human being alive, but I need him to be on time today to something. It's an espresso machine, so it doesn't give that much coffee. Oh my god. Look at the snow. Oh my god, that's so cool. Oh my god, it looks like I'm putting marshmallow fluff into my coffee. I definitely made a lot, but you know what, girl? I love some milk in my coffee, so hone in on my art skills later, but it's fine. My cafe art. Okay, I'm spilling everywhere. Okay, so we're done with her. Y'all are like, Jennifer, you're excited over a milk frother, and I'm like, yes, of course. It's like a real latte. Obviously, what else would it be? But it's like a real latte. It's like I ordered a latte at a restaurant, and it's so small. And I'm just so excited because it's so small. It fits so well into like a small apartment of mine. Like, that's so nice. I'm so happy. Thank you so much for sending it to me. The link will be down in the description below if you want your own, because why wouldn't you want a latte in your own house? And it's so inexpensive and it's so small. It like fits anywhere. Like, I love it. Now I'm gonna make some food. Might have like a salad. I'm gonna make myself like a little cabbage mayo salad. Hey, my system is overloaded. Girl, what's wrong with you? Come back down. There's too much in my head, did you notice? Girl, what's wrong with you? Come back down, 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 down. It's such a lot of me, and you notice. And you know all this for everybody. Thank God for you, damn, I just want to record a freaking album right now. My brain. I all of a sudden just wanted to film and sing, so that's what I just did, and I just posted on my Instagram. You just saw me singing like Ariana, so like I decided to go all out and make an Instagram video of it. I don't know what's been with me, like this morning I'm like making moves. No, I'm just like really putting myself out there right now for some reason. I don't know. There's this one fly that's been like flying around that's been really irritating me, and I'm about to lose it. Hi. Yeah, so my salad is very simple. This is like the most basic salad. Oh, I'm using all of my lettuce. So I just put cabbage in a bowl and I get some mayo. I'm so white. I know, I'm sorry. I have the worst taste in food. I realize that, thank you. But I like this. I realize a lot of people hate mayo, so I don't know what that's all about, sister, because I love mayo. But I can probably see why you wouldn't like it, but yeah, so this is just my salad. It's kind of like coleslaw, but without everything else. Because I've like the most blandest taste in food ever. So now I'm just gonna put this away. Hey, my cat's here. Oh my god, I'm so sorry. Was that really fast for you? Good morning. Yeah, I know, right? She's such a little baby. Oh my god. I love you. Mwah, mwah. I'm gonna go put her back in her chair. She's just a little baby. Like just a little baby. Okay, I'm gonna put you back. Now I'm just gonna eat my salad, drink my coffee, and watch more of Charmed. Now I'm just gonna sit and edit for a little bit, and then later on before I leave I'm gonna get dressed and show y'all what I'm wearing before I head out the door. And yeah, this is not really a morning routine because it's literally 2 p.m. but you know, I'm leaving at like 4 somewhere, so that'll be the end of our morning. Summer's way more chill for me than, you know, the school year obviously, so yeah. Hi, I'm the worst and I literally just got back. It's 11 p.m. right now. I forgot. I was running late, so I couldn't film like my outfit, but I'll film it now since I just got back. I was wearing some ripped jeans and this little cute little baby top. Ripped jeans, this cute little top, and I had this backpack. So yeah, okay. Morning routine is over. Thank you for watching this morning routine. I hope you enjoyed this video. And yeah, have a good day, y'all. Love you.